And People versus Jason Williams. Mr. Robinson on behalf of Mr. Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Steve Robinson appearing on behalf of Jason Williams.
And have you reviewed the pre-sentence report?
We have, Your Honor. We find the contents to be factually correct. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation.
Oh, actually, you know what? I have a notation that we're taking the sentencing today. I didn't take the plea. I don't remember why.
I believe it had something to do with his license.
Okay. Do you understand, Mr. Williams, by pleading guilty that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
And
Honor.
is it true that on or about September the 21st of 2020 that you were in the city of Belleville and you had consumed alcohol before getting behind the wheel of the vehicle that you were driving?
Yes, Your Honor.
As a result of your consumption of alcohol, your ability to drive was impaired.
Yes, Your Honor.
You took a breathalyzer and blew above the legal limit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it voluntary?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody promise you or threaten you to get you to plead guilty in this matter?
No, Your Honor.
The recommendation, as Mr. Robinson, is just for fines and costs and not to be placed on probation. I know that he has an order with probation officer Silkowski where he is doing a couple of things for them. Ms. Rapp was satisfied that they're dealing with his issues and that fines and costs in this matter would be sufficient. Any objections to that, Mr. Robinson?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to assess $700 in fines and costs. The state adds $145, including our fund fee. And there is restitution for the arresting agency in the amount of $150 for a total of $995. Mr. Williams, do you need a payment plan for that?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm currently laid off and I haven't received any unemployment
Okay.
because it's backed up, I guess. But as soon as I get that, I'll pay the whole thing because they owe me that much.
Okay, I'm gonna make it I'm gonna write down a $50 a month payment plan right now and they'll send you out the payments and then you can you can pay it off, or do whatever, make the payments more when you get that taken care of, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else for today, Mr. Robinson?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, you're all set. Thank you very much. Mr. Ruark, I see you, and as soon as Mr. Schaefer shows up, we'll do your case. So just
Your
hang
Honor,
on.
he's with me.
Oh, I apologize. People versus Anthony Schaefer.
Ron Ruark for the defendant, Your Honor.
And did Ms. Rapp send you a copy of the pre-sentence?
She did, Your Honor. We reviewed it very carefully. It's factually accurate. And quite frankly, I believe it's a reasonable recommendation.
I am going to put, Mr. Schaefer, I am going to put you on probation for a period of 9 months. You're to pay $700 in fines and costs, pay the victim's fund fee, the mandated state costs, restitution to the arresting agency, serve 48 hours of community service at a nonprofit organization of your choice, engage in outpatient treatment within 30 days. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any alcoholic beverages or non-prescription controlled substances with random drug and alcohol tests at the direction of the probation department. I'm going to have Ms. Rapp contact you with an order of probation, and she will answer any questions, set you up with a payment plan, give you any referrals that you need. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Your Honor, if I may, number
Absolutely.
one, he'll pay the fines and costs off today
Okay.
up front, so he doesn't worry about it. Number
Yeah,
two,
Ms. Rapp will have to get him the order that tells him the exact amount.
and the other concern is that there's a pre-planned family vacation that his grandmother is sponsoring.
It's not a concern.
But it's out of the country though. For just
It's
the
not a
week.
concern.
Okay. Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Let Ms. Rapp know the dates. I'm not going to prevent him. What country is he going to?
Mexico.
Okay, I'm not going to prevent him from going with his grandmother on a vacation. It's not going to
Okay.
happen.
All right.
So just give Ms. Rapp the date so that we make sure that you're not violated for not testing while you're gone. And we'll probably have him test when he leaves and when he returns. But Ms. Rapp will work it out with him.
That's fine. Is medical marijuana an issue, by the way? He has a marijuana card.
he's got to give her the card.
Okay,
Thank
all
you.
right.
All right.
Thank you very much. I
What-
appreciate
All
it.
right. Thank you very much. Yep. Have a great day.
Contact me.
Thank